welcome to today's daily science revision task, which is to produce a concept map on the digestive system. So digestion is the breakdown of large molecules into smaller soluble molecules that can be absorbed into the body. Right, the first thing that happens is that food enters the body through the mouth. In the mouth, the food is physically broken down. Because the food is being physically broken down, it increases its surface area. At the same time, saliva is added from the salivary gland. Saliva contains the enzyme amylase, which is a carbohydrate that breaks down carbohydrates into smaller sugars. The saliva also helps lubricate the food. The food is then pushed down the esophagus by the process of peristalsis. Right, peristalsis is basically just a wave of muscle contractions that push the food downwards. Right, so even if you stood on your head and you swallow, your food will still be pushed down towards your stomach. Right, peristalsis happens throughout the digestive system. Right, in the stomach, the food is mechanically broken down because the stomach churns it up, and also from gastric pits that are in the stomach lining, digestive juices are added. Right, digestive juices include the enzyme pepsin, which is a protease. It breaks down proteins into amino acids. Pepsin works best at low pHs, so acidic pHs. So gastric juice also contains hydrochloric acid, so the pH of the stomach is around pH 2. The food then leaves the stomach and enters the duodenum. Right? First thing that's added into it is bile. Right, bile is produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. Right, bile is an alkali, so it neutralizes the stomach acid and it also emulsifies fats. Because it's breaking down large fat globules in smaller ones, it's increasing the surface area that lipases can work on. Right, lipases, they're to break down lipids or fats into fatty acids and glycerol and are produced by the pancreas. As the food travels through the small intestines, it continues to be broken down and the nutrients in it are absorbed. Right, in the small intestines, there is a very large surface area which allows the nutrients to be absorbed into the bloodstream. The thing that provides this large surface area is the fact that the insides of your small intestines are folded in on each other to form what's called villi. Each of these villi are then covered in cells which also have folded surfaces called microvilli. Each of these villi has a good blood supply to help maintain concentration gradient as it's taking the nutrients away. In the larger intestines, excess water from the feces is reabsorbed. Hopefully this video should have helped you complete your daily revision task. Please subscribe so you can keep up to date with other videos to help with your daily revision tasks. You can follow me on Facebook or follow me on Twitter to help you keep up to date.